Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to change the speed on CapCut PC. So let's select the file first, add it to the media, then to the timeline, then select the clip that you want to speed up. If there are other clips, you don't have to select them if you don't want to speed up them. Let's just select the one and then go to speed. And then here you'll see a couple of options. So by default it is 1x, that means it is the normal one. If you want to speed up, let's select you want to make it double, you can just go here 2, this is 2x. You can also increase this way too. See, you can also increase this way. Let's select you want to make it 4 times faster. You'll see the duration is lower than it used to be before. Let's revert back. Let's play this. You see, like it is super fast now. Okay, let's revert back by selecting 1 here. Okay, you also have another option called duration. So our video file is 5.8 seconds long. If you want to make it, let's select 3 seconds, you can just write down 3 and press enter. You'll see like the video is 3 seconds now, and it will adjust the speed based on that. I do not recommend changing the audio pitch, but you try it by yourself. If you select it, it's gonna make the audio pitch high, so I prefer not to do this. So this is how you change the speed of a file, media, on CapCut PC. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.